Hello viewers, I'm Shweta and I belong to Kids World Institute, which is located in Anand, Gujarat. And our institute running different brain related and memory related courses. And today I am here for the Rubik's Cube. I have 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4. But today we will solve 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube and I will mess it up so I can solve it again. Actually, Rubik Cube is enhance your mental ability. It's a excellent mental exercise, you can say. And so it's enough. Okay, now I will show you how to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's Cube. Fine. This is solved Rubik Cube 2 by 2. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Thanks for watching.